Now how to do the key programming for the vehicle? One is orange box here and another orange box here. Means this device is dedicatedly mainly using for what purpose? There is no keys at all in the customers. So first, if I want to start key programming, I need to turn on the key. Yes. Now look at this. Checking the light is coming up. Is there any key light is blinking? No. I will remove the key. Now wait for 15 seconds. Now the main relay will turn off. It will take hardly 15 seconds. Why? Because this is a bench setup. That's why we should be patient. Look at that light. Main relay is turned off. Now I not connected key. Okay. I will turn on the ignition. Now look at this. Key light is blinking or not?
Yes.
Means the key is missing. Okay, assume that if I drop the key, if this key is not working, means this key already got damaged. I arranged another key like this. Now how to do the key programming for the vehicle? That is a big question. That is what bench method with a blade type. Okay, so for doing that type of key programming, it's very simple. Just connect the key first, turn on the ignition, nothing but I just turned on by the switches only. Now we need to connect the scanner to the OBD of the vehicle or maybe bench setup of the CAN box. We need to go for the maximal. And here, look at the screen of the scanner. In this scanner, you will get a big screen of two options. One is orange box here and another orange box here. Means this device is dedicatedly mainly using for what purpose? Key programming purpose. Look at the diagnostics level. Small box. Means in this device it will support that much only, but maximum supporting for that's why we are using this device. Did you make point or not? Along with this device you will get XP400 Pro also. That we are doing for the chip level programming for CAS or whatever it may be the module. For all these things we are going to deal by the two tools only. Okay, G-Box and XP400 Pro. From these two tools we are using that for the premium segment vehicles. Now shall I enter for the orange color box? That is called IMMO. So I am clicking on IMO. Click on accept. Now which is the vehicle? It's a Maruti Suzuki. Click on that. Go with the first box what we are getting. Okay. So what is the first box? Manual selection. Click on this manual selection. What is the vehicle? Swift. Yes or no? So we need to click on Swift. Click on yes. What is the first box? I previously told now. Go with the first box only. First box. Emo scan status. Establishing communication with the vehicle now. Now it is asking two questions actually. Be same 8 digit or 4 digit?
8 digits.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
That's why we need to select how much digit?
8 digits.
Click on this. Now it is entering for the menu. Now look at this. Look at this everyone. Now it is establishing communication with the vehicle. And it is showing some list of fault codes actually. We should be patient. How much fault code we are having? 3 fault code. We need to study that what are those 3 fault code. One is history, last communication with the ECM. But right now it is communicating check engine light is coming or not.
Yes.
And the fault code is showing history. It is not our problem. Once upon a time it was having problem. Now the problem is solved. That's why it is went under history. Next we are having 2 fault code. One is current, evaporator temperature. It is not related to the key problem. That is related to the comfort problem. That is not my problem right now. Next one, transponder communication error. Why? Because I intentionally remove the key from the lock barrel. Correct or not? Because of that reason it was showing error. Right or wrong? Okay. So for this problem I am going back. For doing key programming, especially for Indian vehicles like Maruti Suzuki, Hyundai, Mahindra, Tata, Honda, Renault, Nissan, all these vehicles all comes under all key last key programming method only. We can't able to use like add key. While doing key programming, if you are entering to the menu means it will erase all old existing key. If the customer is having total 3 keys means he lost only 1 key means he should compulsory bring how many keys now? 2 keys. Then you can add 2 plus 1 additional key. Total how many keys you are listing at a time? 3 keys. But if you are going to deal with any German car, if customer lost 1 key means you can add additional key. You need not to go for all key lost. Oh, you can use the add key menu option actually. That will support. But these models will support
All clear. Very good.
Now click on all key last. Okay. Please switch on the ignition. I already turned on the ignition. Okay. Click OK. Initialization, pin verification, key learning. All are not started. Shall we click on start? Yeah, just by clicking start, it will going to execute one by one. After this function is carried out, all keys will be cleared. What I told the story, it is telling the same. These keys can't be used unless they are learned again. If you not done the two keys properly means it will not work after this session. That's why you need to ask the customer to bring all old keys and you need to add with your key also. Total how many keys you are doing to do registration? Three. Assume like that. If the customer lost total keys means only one key you can do it. No problem. Okay. Click OK. Please select the Git 8-digit pin code. Calculate the 8-digit pin code through by the network. That's why you should have a Wi-Fi properly. Okay. Click on yes. Okay. Now it is connecting to the server of the pin calculation. Now that server calculation pin is success. Now verification pin is also success. Now establishing communication with the vehicle. Establishing vehicle communication. Number of keys learned how much? One. Learn complete. Do you want to continue the learning of the next key? If you click yes means remove that key, connect the next key. Click on yes. That key also learned means remove that key and connect with the next key. Click on yes. Total how many key learned? 3. So 3. If you continue with the next steps means it will add the key. Is it key programming very difficult job? Yes or no? Click on no. How many keys learned now? 1 key. It will show the acknowledgement with the successful of key program. Look at this. How many keys learned successfully? Correct or not? Look at this EEPROM black color. Small 8-leg IC. That one. Okay. Old vehicle key programming type means for that type of key programming we should compulsory require this XP400 Pro. Okay. So now in that one, what is the type of ID they recommended for the vehicle? ID 46. So these are the transponders. How it is look like? Can't idea?
Yes, sir.
So customer lost all keys. There is no keys at all in the customers. So that's why we generated a transponder. So in the key remote, you need to use this and fix with a very quick. That is how we can place the immobilizer in the remote. Getting my point or not?
Yes, sir.
This is the chip what it is mainly working for the transponder to store the data in ECM only. ECM means EEPROM. This particular EEPROM. Cable. We are not using this cable. There is no car. Then where we need to connect this one? So we need to remove the chip and we need to fix it to the chip method. That's why we studied with the ECM, immobilizer, meter and BCM. That's why we learned those chips as a high priority. Now you got a clarity? So which all the vehicle will not cover under YOBD method, that we can do in this method only. Now how to do this key programming for the Swift Petrol Denso ECMs? So first we need to go for the option called key programmer. Now click on accept. If there is any update, compulsory we should update the device. Okay. It will show the updates for us. If there is update means it will update automatically. If there is no update, it will skip and it will open the main window. Now where I went? Programmer. Next where we went? Next we are mainly using with the option called key via dump. Key data via dump actually. Dump means dumping to the EEPROM directly. That's why the name short name called key via dump. Only we are using this option as a high priority. Now we need to click on this one. Now in this list it is going to show you with the multiple options. Just click OK. The first option is what? Asia, Europe, USA. Which is our vehicle now? Asia. Click on Asia. Now particularly which brand we are working on? But Maruti Suzuki available, but Suzuki only name available. In that particular which vehicle we are working? Swift. Correct? Swift? Particularly, what is the EEPROM number? In this board also they mentioned that EEPROM only. We removed that EEPROM and we fixed it for the tray. What is the exact number of the EEPROM? 93C56. So we need to select for the 93C56 or 66 or? 56. This one is our vehicle. Click on this. Now it will going to read the complete data from the EEPROM. Okay. So total how many keys we can do key programming? 4 keys it can allow you. Okay. So it is very simple. First one is what? Click on one touch process. Look at this ECM. In this corner only you will get the EEPROM. This is the ECM. In this corner only you will get the EEPROM. Correct or not? So it is showing the guide information like this. Come back. Now, what is the first option? One touch process. In the name called one touch process means it will clear all the things by one touch. Check the following. If the program is connected correctly, yes. I need to give a power connection. That is pending. Done. That is also done. If the chip is connected correctly, yes. I fix it by soldering method. Place the key in front of correct direction. Means what? Now it is reading the chip data. Okay. So do you want to save the file name? Better save the file name. It is really important. So the file name is what? If you take a photo of this file name, it will be better. Just click OK. Now it is decoding the file. What the data it took from the EEPROM, now it is decoding into 4 keys. Customer lost all keys actually. There is no key at all. Now we want to do the key programming. How to do key programming is better take the transponder or maybe place the transponder in the key and directly you can keep the key here also. No problem. Our transponder means here. The small black hole. Okay. Now which option we need to select means select which key you want to replace. First key now. What is the last number? 014. Just click on select that one and just click on make a key. That's all. C1. Now you can look at this. What is the data of the second one? F1. By this way we can do the all key loss key programming procedure for the old vehicles and new vehicle which will be not supporting by OBD method. Getting my point or not? Which are supporting in OBD method, what you learn that and that same procedure. But which are not supporting this procedure. Next we need to go for key via signal term. Accept. Correct. Next to. Okay. Which one? Next to which vehicle?
Suzuki.
Suzuki. Now look at this much vehicles can't able to keep programming. Alto vehicle. First generation Baleno. Next to Grand Vitara. Same problem. Next to in this about 2016, this was Japanese cars actually. Next SX4. SX4 Denso petrol. That vehicle. SX4. Next to Wagoner. 2003 to 24C01. That vehicle. Next to Swift. In this one also 93C56. Same. What is the procedure? One touch process, make a key. Only 2 buttons. Only you need to use one touch process and second button is what? Make a key. Only 2 options. By using 2 options you can do the key program. Either you can take a transponder or maybe you can place the transponder in the key also. Option is left to you. After finishing of this you can cut the blade and you can do it also. Give me that one. Not bad. Now, if there is no key, all keys got lost actually. How you are going to make a key means it's very simple. In every lock barrel they will give a 4-digit password. This password is 4L18. If you just enter this number in the all key lost key cutting machine, Dolphin, it will cut the blade by using this 4-digit password only. Same Xerox type of photo. The same thing you will get in the tag also for this car. .47 key programming. But is it make any sense difference between 46 and 47? Demonstration mode. I am going for the demonstration mode. Going for the immobilizer. Assume now I am doing key programming with a car. So Volkswagen. they will going to show you with one vehicle as an example. Now we are having two options. One is automatic selection or manual selection. So if you click on automatic means it will choose any one of the vehicle. So if you enter for the manual selection means it will show you the list of models. So it is showing one of the model that is called Tiger. Click on that one. What is the model? 1670. Click on this one. Next it is entering for the system. Click on yes. Next first option and next what is the option we are having? I told now key loss not available. We are having option that is called add key. So click on add key, and now we need to study all those things one by one. Is vehicle equipped with smart key? If you click on no means now it is entering for the blade type. Read IMO data. Click on start. Next make a dealer key. Next learning the key to the vehicle. Next to remote learning. Now click on start. Establishing communication with the vehicle. 45%. By OBD only it is fetching all the data. How much percent finished? Successful. Do you want to generate the dealer key? Yes. How to generate dealer key means take the key, keep it here, just click on yes. If you just click on yes means it will reset the key. Then next place the blank key into the key slot to the programmer and click OK. Now what the key it was, make a dealer key here. Just take it out and just connect the key and turn on the ignition. Just click on OK button. Successful. Dealer key generated succeeded. Do you want to generate next one? No. Now it is started key learning for the vehicle. How many keys you have learned now? One key. One key only we are learning. Click on OK. That's all about the key programming. Now how many keys you are learning for the remote? One. Just click on OK. It will going to do the key programming also with remote programming also in one time. For that German car key programming, this is badly required.